Let's go back to the phones and go to 617-830-4750. That's the number you call. We'll go to the next caller from the 973 area code. Caller from 973, tell us who you are, where you're calling from, and what can I answer for you today?
Hi, this is Jay from New Jersey.
Great. What's on your mind?
I'm calling in regards to the Bernie Sanders single-payer bill.
Yeah.
I was just wondering, do you believe that this issue is becoming like a non-negotiable, and that the Democratic Party as a whole will?
Jay, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm
actually
having
try
a
to-
hard time hearing you. Let's take the question from the top and let's turn Jay up as much as we can. And speak up, please, Jay.
I'm sorry. Do you believe that Bernie Sanders' single-payer bill will become a non-negotiable for the Democratic Party, and that they will actually try to implement this, or do you believe that corporate Democrats are just paying lip service to progressives at a time where they know that this bill can't actually get passed right now?
So two thoughts on this. Number one is the question of whether the bill will ultimately become law is a different one from whether corporate Democrats will be what gets in the way, right? I mean, corporate Democrats might not get in the way, and it might still not become law because Democrats control nothing right now. They don't control the White House, they don't control the House, they don't control the Senate. So as I mentioned earlier in the week, I do think that it's an easy thing for Democrats in blue states to co-sponsor because public opinion is as in favor of this as they've been in the modern political era of polling. You have no risk of actually having to figure out the details before your next reelection campaign, certainly in the House and in the Senate, it depends, because Republicans control everything right now. So I do believe that it's a sort of gimme for a lot of Democrats. And yet at the same time, I think it's really important because, and it sounds almost naive, but I do believe that it is important, that there is this on-record support, unprecedented support from elected officials on the Democratic side for co-sponsoring such a bill, more support than we've ever seen before. Okay, so that's number one. And whether it's pandering or not or whatever, I think it's important no matter what, but it is a very easy decision for a lot of people. Corporate Democrats may well, if it has a chance to happen, and that's not going to be before the midterms for sure, and probably not before 2020, corporate Democrats might get in the way. We talk about many areas where Democrats and Republicans are the same, and we talk about many areas where Democrats and Republicans are very different. Both Democrats and Republicans, by and large, get a lot of money from the health insurance industry. This is a proposal which would be really bad for the health insurance industry. So I think you're thinking about the dynamics of money in politics the exact right way. Yeah, corporate Democrats could get in the way of this if it ever has an actual chance of passing.
Wait, one more quick point.
Yeah.
Do you believe that if they say they take back the House and the Senate in, say, 2018, that the political momentum of this bill could, make the whole party, as a whole, adopt this as a non-negotiable issue, or do you believe that that the Democrats still will get in the way?
I hope I've been advocating for a while. I've been advocating for a while, Jay, that the Democratic Party officially make this a part of their platform. And you know what? That doesn't mean that even if they say this is our platform and it's non-negotiable, that doesn't guarantee that it's going to become law if Democrats take power. We've seen how that works in the past. We've seen a lot of those types of statements backfire under the Trump administration. So I do believe that Democrats should officially make Medicare for all, healthcare for all, single payer part of their platform. I believe that they will not. And I do believe that the more moderate and corporate influences in the Democratic Party would be part of that. Jay, thank you. I appreciate the call. I do have to move on.